Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making a cookies and cream cheesecake parfait. This parfait is really simple to make. It's going to come together in about 15 minutes. There's going to be layers of crushed Oreo and a cheesecake type filling. It's sure to please any crowd. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 15 Oreos crushed. Now you can put these in a bag and smash them, or you can use a food processor like I did if you want a finer texture. 2/3 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. First, we're going to take our heavy cream, we're going to put it in a large bowl. We're going to mix it with a hand mixer or stand mixer, it's up to you, until it's light and fluffy. And that right there is the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to add in half of our powdered sugar into this. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to combine this till it's just mixed. And just like that. Now we're going to set this aside and work on the cheesecake. In another large bowl, we're going to take our softened cream cheese, our 2 tablespoons of milk, our vanilla. We're going to mix this up. Now we're going to add in the rest of our powdered sugar into the cream cheese mixture and get this combined. Now we want to take our cream cheese mixture and incorporate it into our whipped cream. And this is going to give us a nice light fluffy texture to the parfait. Now we're going to take our mixture and we're going to go into a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can use a sandwich bag with the tip cut off, or you can just spoon it into your glasses that you want to serve it in. Now to plate this, we're just going to go in with a little layer of our crushed cookies. Add another layer of our filling. Another little sprinkle of our cookies. Now before we dig in, let's take a look at all those layers. You got the cookies and the cream. Looks good. Let's get a bite. We get a little bit of each. Perfect. That's really good. You get a nice little crunch from the crushed up Oreos. The cream is nice and smooth. It's lightly sweet. It's not overpowering. This makes a great dessert just to impress anybody, or just because you're bored. And in 25 minutes you can have it done. If you like what we're doing here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.